It's not that you have a bad memory. It's that your brain just doesn't care about random facts. Think about it. When you study, your brain sees isolated letters and numbers as noise, static. And we all know what happens to static. We ignore it. That is why you spend 3 hours reading and remember nothing. Your brain was just scrolling past the noise. But researchers discovered something wild. The brain doesn't actually store facts. It stores patterns. It's looking for the signal inside the static. So here's the trick. Don't study the information. Study the connections between the information. Psychologists call this chunking. Instead of memorizing this, H2O. Your brain sees this, H2O. That's a chunk. It's one piece of data, not three. Now imagine an entire page of random dates. Feels heavy, right? But if you group those dates into a story, a single narrative, it becomes one chunk, lightweight, easy to recall. This isn't just a study hack. It's how your brain is wired. Scientists notice that when you create these chunks, your brain physically reorganizes itself. It builds a roadmap. But memorizing is only half the battle. The real superpower happens when you combine this with retrieval practice. After you chunk the information, close the book. Ask yourself, what were the three main groups? If you can recall the groups, the details will follow like dominoes. One student went from failing history to the top of their class using just this framework. They didn't get smarter. They just stopped fighting their brain and started working with it. So picture this. You walk into your exam room. Instead of panic, you feel calm. The questions are just asking you to identify the patterns you've already built. You're just following the map you created weeks ago. If you want to study smarter, not harder, and you found this breakdown useful, subscribe. Every week, we decode the psychology of top performers.